Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to verify your age on ChatGPT. So let's dive in. Now here's what's happening. OpenAI is actually rolling out an age prediction system. If the system isn't confident about your age, your account may automatically be placed into an under 18 experience, and in some cases, you'll be asked to verify your age. Now, if verification is required, ChatGPT will guide you through the process directly on your screen, and it looks similar to this one. Now, depending on your location, you may be asked to upload a government issued ID or take a selfie to confirm your age. And this process isn't handled by ChatGPT itself. It's done through trusted third-party services like Yoti or Persona, which specialize in secure identity verification. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has acknowledged that this can feel like a privacy compromise for adults, but says it's a necessary trade off to protect younger users on the platform. And one important thing to know, if you're between 13 and 17 years old, a parent or legal guardian must complete the verification on your behalf. Without that, the account may remain restricted. And once you complete the steps shown on the screen once I've shown you on the screen, your age status is updated automatically, and you'll either regain full access or stay in the age-appropriate experience. And that's all you need to know about verifying your age on ChatGPT. So basically, just wait for an email. They are still rolling it out. All right, so if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.